What's good, YouTube? I'm Sir Hall and welcome back to my channel where the voice is deep and the shoes are cheap. Today we have a special package in from a seller called Xrare. Love copying from Xrare. She's always got updated pairs, new pairs. Feel free to mention me, ask her for a discount. She's a great seller. Let's get right into it. Had to go with the OG classic. Anytime they update this pair, damn right I'm gonna buy it. Anytime, because it's always getting better and better and improving. One of the most famous Jordan 1s of all time. Got the brown box with the red Nike logo on it. If you don't know what they are from the title, you'll know very shortly. Look at that paper right there. Some of my favorite detailed paper right there with all the logos. Okay, let's get these out of the box. Such a sick pair. I think obviously my first video was a Chicago one. But this is, I think, this was my second shoe that I ever bought. Or I don't want to say, not second, actually, that's a lie. I think one of the top, like the first few. I think because the first two was the Chicago and the UNC one, because the UNC was crazy. We got the Travis one high, the OG, the one that started it all, and throughout the Jordan lineup. This really sparked everything during the Astroworld era. The backward swoosh was a huge innovation for the Jordan 1. Yes, it's been done before. We've seen it on the LeBron 10, we've seen it on the Rodmans, but on the Jordan 1 is unique. The suede on this pair is buttery. They've upgraded it over the years. This is the PK batch. Excellent quality leather, tumbled leather throughout the entire shoe. I'll bring it closer so you can see that tumbled leather quality. Suede on this is perfectly updated. The color is perfect. As you can see, it buttery smooth moves with my hand. Beautiful pair. Stitching is impeccable. Let's take a look at that toe box. Tumbled leather on the toe box. And of course the suede. White tongue coming all the way up to that red and white Nike Air. And of course the legendary cactus jack and the red and black on the piece of the tongue. Take a look at that left side. Of course, we got an abundance of laces. We got the red laces. This is another pair of black. I think it's brown lace actually. Brown lace, red lace, pink lace, the cream off-white laces, and then dead stock with the black laces. Move them up so you get a quick look. Take a look at the inside of the left shoe. We got the medial cactus jack logo there. Inner swoosh is just a normal swoosh. And the suede is just beautiful throughout the entire shoe. Take a look at the logo on the back. Gorgeous. The embroidery, or the embossment, I should say. Chocolate bottom. These are perfect pair. On the inside, we got the Nike on one pair and the Cactus Jack on this one. If you go ahead and cop these from Xrare, feel free to mention me as for a discount. Thank you again for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hop on my Discord and say what's up. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at enzoazai, enzoazai. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.